Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Conrad Sangma mynta ka sngi ka Plie tarik kyllalyngkot hajar pusau ula pynshai kaba iadei ka Jingiakhih ka VPP Halor ki jingshah weng ki ophisar ka lokayukta bat ula ong kito shipor la thungkam shipor ki ophisar ki bela shong thait ya kaba ka sorkar ka ban pynlut tam bat mynta ka sorkar kam donkam shuh ban pynlut tam namar ki ophisar ki thung mynta ki yo ya ka tulop.
The provisions under which the person earlier, the director of inquiries was appointed, the rules were not followed. In the sense that it was a temporary arrangement because we needed to immediately start the work. We had, in the sense, some shortage of officials working because it has to be an officer of a secretary level and above. And hence, we had a bit of an issue in the sense we had shortage of officers. So we decided at that point in time that we will, as a temporary arrangement, go for a retired officer, which is not as per the rules, and hence to rectify that and to make it regularize that, we have followed the rules which says that it has to be an officer of the rank of a secretary. Number 2 point is that when we appoint a person who is retired, then government takes additional expenditure. If it's a serving officer, there is no expenditure because he or she gets a salary. But additional retired person means we have to spend from our own side. And hence it was in the interest of the rules to be followed and in interest of the expenditure for the state that this post be regularized. We were working on it to regularize it very much before this, but then later on it took us about a year and a half almost, but we have regularized the process. So this is purely as per the rules and procedures that need to be followed.
Will you meet political party?
See, we are very open. Whoever is there, if anybody wants to meet, they can come and meet.